Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Translink. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Translink application and log into your account, you may find out that there is no option to delete your account from within. So if you wish to delete your account, then you will need to contact the customer support team. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then search for the Translink application. Once you find the My Translink app, just tap on it, and now you will see App Support. Just click on the drop-down menu and click on this email address that you see, and now you can choose your email app in order to send your support email. After choosing the application, you can directly enter your subject, where you can just type in delete my account. Now within the main body, you can just mention that you don't wish to use your Translink account anymore and you want it to be deleted. And finally, you can tap on the send button at the top right corner to send your email to the support team. After your email has been sent, you will get a response within a few days where you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. After following these instructions, you will be logged out from your Translink account and your account will be scheduled for deletion right away. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Translink. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.